Hello everyone, I want to take this opportunity to give you an update as to where I see this channel going for the future. As many of you know, this channel has been mainly focused on web design, pretty much, and that's it. I've tried to do a bit of marketing videos here and there, but I wasn't really committed. But the more and more I think about this, I feel that there's more to web design. Because right now, I mainly do videos around Divi. But there's a lot that can be done. There's agencies out there that are making a ton of money by using Divi in conjunction with other plugins and other services to achieve even more amazing results. For example, let's say you want to build funnels. One could use services like ClickFunnels, for example, which is a monthly paid service, which is quite expensive if you're starting off. But you can achieve similar results using Divi, but you would need to use other plugins. So this is where I want to really focus on changing this idea of just building Divi websites and just Divi tutorials. I want to go into marketing. I want to go into freelancing, talk about freelancing, affiliate marketing, blogging, how to create funnels, websites for small businesses. What do we need to add to these websites to really make them work? So this is the area that I feel that I haven't really put a lot of effort in. And this is an area which a lot of you can, in my opinion, benefit a lot, because once you learn how to use Divi, then what next? I've received quite a lot. I mean, what more is beyond just these Divi videos? You know, yes, I can cover updates here and there, but we're missing out on a lot, in my opinion. So I would like to go into creating even more exciting videos every week. The question is, am I going to stop creating these Divi tutorials? Am I going to stop talking about Divi? Absolutely not. What I envision is to divide my videos into two, right? 50-50. 50%, I'll still be talking about Divi and the updates, how to use it creatively. But the other 50%, I'd really like to cover more advanced topics. And this is the area that I think will even accelerate this channel and make it even more exciting for all of you. So currently I have two websites. I have WP User TV. This is where mostly my WordPress tutorials go. I also have Divi University. This is where I do Divi specific courses. But now I'm introducing a third website, which is called Smart Income TV. I'll link all these websites in the show notes below. Now, let's say you come to this channel and the days that I release the marketing videos, you're not really interested in that. Well, no problem, because if you want to stay up to date and if you want to follow what I'm doing, you can always go to diviuniversity.com or wpusertv.com and sign up onto the mailing list, and you'll be updated every now and again. But if you're excited in the marketing videos, then if you go to smartincomετv.com, over there, I'll have an opt-in box where you can sign up for the mailing list, where I'll keep you updated on all the videos that I'll be creating. So this is the new journey, and I think this will benefit quite a lot of people, and even for myself. Now, a lot of these things I'll be talking about, I'm actually learning these things. So this is why I call this a journey, because I've tried to create membership websites, online e-commerce websites, and I've started making money on those websites. So these are the skills that I want to start teaching as well, because it's beneficial to you, because you have all the tools that you need. Now, all you need to do now is to be creative with it and start making use of all of this. And throughout this journey as well, I know you'll be asking me questions and you'll be giving me a lot of challenges. So this is what's going to make me even more excited to make more and more of these videos. Because to be honest, yes, Divi is cool, but I've done so many videos on Divi, and I just think that this needs to change for the better. So I'd like to know what you guys think about this direction that the channel is taking. I'd like to hear your opinion, what you think about this update, and yeah, so leave your comments in the comments box below. So this is the update moving forward. So I'll say from next week, I'm going to start creating these videos, and I'd like your support as well. And for those of you who haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit subscribe and also click on the bell notification, because what I've noticed is when I release these videos, not all of you are getting these notifications. So it is very important you do that. The other thing that you can do as well is to go onto my websites, which I've just mentioned, and sign up onto the mailing list, because every time I release a video, I also send an email out to alert everyone that there's a new video out there. So that's all I have in this update. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm looking forward to hearing your feedback. Thank you very much.